What's up guys, welcome back to another video on Jam Exploring. Today we have a waterfall all to ourselves and it is awesome. Megan, where are we?
Hello, we're at Wian Falls this morning. It's, what do you reckon, about 45 minutes west of Byron?
Yeah, west of Byron. Nice and easy to get to as well.
No hike whatsoever. It's a lot colder than I was expecting, but I'm still semi-keen to get in for a swim.
Yeah. Are you going to commit it?
I'll see how cold it is.
She's going to see how cold it is. Look at all the roots from the tree and it's just amazing guys. Check that out. How cool is that?
God, it's so warm.
Is it warm?
Yeah.
Really?
It's like bath water.
Really?
I don't know,
guys,
that's a bit of an over-exaggeration.
I think we're going in. She made it. She's alive. It made for a wicked photo opportunity. Now she's just got to get back over it alive. How you feeling? Oh, how'd you go?
Amazing!
Is the water really nice?
Yeah, it's so much nicer that like it's warmer in there than it is out here.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I might have to go in there.
Yeah.
So, out of 10?
10.
10. So, we're just about to leave the waterfall and then I could hear running water further down, so I ventured down and we just came to this little hidden oasis. There's another waterfall and it's just, look at the ancient trees, and I'm probably blabbering on too much about how nice it is, but honestly, far out. Look at that. Just goosebumps again. There you have it guys, another simple lunch camping hack that doesn't look good.
I think it looks good.
But tastes beautiful.
We could eat in the sun. Good morning. Today is a great day. Not only because we are going to be out and about doing some hikes and exploring the national parks, but we have finally found the source of a horrible screeching noise on the Troopy that has been bothering us for weeks, and it's been getting like worse and worse every day as well.
Oh, I'm so dirty. First I thought it was the steering component, something was loose there, so I tightened all them up, and then it turns out it has been bothering us for weeks. It's a washer underneath the shocky. I don't know if you can see. I'll try and show. But in there, where is it? Oh, right underneath the shock absorber, there's a loose bloody washer. The bushes compressed and had it over from all the corrugations, and finally found it.
We were so worried it was going to cost us thousands at a mechanic because we just couldn't figure it out.
I was like, I'm not going to a mechanic, I'm going to find this noise, and we finally found it. So I know what it is now. It's not too much of a big deal, and I'll fix it another day. We're finally back out, Mother Nature, putting on a show again. Have a look at that little walk. I think it's called Border Loop.
Border loop.
Border Loop.
Just a short one to get us back into it.
Yeah, I'm going to build ourselves back up to, I don't know, 20-kilometre hikes.
Yep.
I bet you there's some coming, but just get a load of it. Look how good it is. Always get a bit worried when we're on tracks like this, because I'm scared of snakes. Always stump my feet when we're walking along to try and scare them off, especially on tracks like this because they're tight.
And just come out of nowhere.
Yeah, they do. There's always something different on the walk, and that's what makes it exciting. You just don't know what you're going to see, like this bloody tree that we've just walked up to and Megan did not even see.
Oh, I thought it was like 4 trees.
Have a look at that. Just as I was talking about it, and then this massive tree pops up. Look at Megan compared to the
scale.
Look at Megan compared to that tree. Look what we this is what I'm talking about. You'll walk around the corner and then there's different plants, all kinds of different vines and stuff.
You're okay.
Oh Jesus.
What a great introduction to Border Range National Park.
Yeah, so there's a few different places to see in the Border Ranges, and that's going to continue us on to
I love
Queensland.
how they've got the little signs.
So they got these little signs, like this one's called, I won't focus on there, black apple, and then you kind of got to find the different plants, and there's like these are scattered everywhere.
And we're on to the next stop now.
How's that for a sketchy bloody bridge? Hey mate, how are ya? What are you doing?
I don't know. You're very pretty. Yes. Friends. Oh my gosh.
Excuse me. How funny is that?
Oh my gosh.
No hurry or anything, mate.
Oh, look at this.
You just take your time. Hey buddy.
We are off on walk number 2 for today.
Yep.
Just another short one, only 2 kilometres return this one.
What's this one called?
This is called
Bushwalk.
no, brush box.
Oh, brush box.
But there's actually, oh, little lizard. There's actually 4 tracks that you can go along from the same starting point, and the starting point is actually at our campgrounds for today. So
Which is a
that's
wicked bonus.
super handy. You don't have to go far to set up camp after this now. And I don't even know where to go right now.
I'd say this way because it looks
More carved out,
Yeah.
I guess.
How cool is this? Oh, look at the massive rocks that have fallen over time. That's crazy. Well guys, we made it, and I'm pretty sure you can guess what it is. It is a bloody big waterfall, and they just keep getting better and better, hey?
So excited to edit these photos.
Megan's taking some wicked photos. There's so many photo opportunities here, and the walk up to the lookout is not hard at all. I'd highly recommend it. And on the way up there's a plaque about a few blokes that were carting red oak wood down these mountains, and they came across this area and it was too steep, and the things that they did to get their red oak across the waterfall was amazing. So that was in 1886, so imagine how hard that was back then. So it's good to come to a place with a little bit of history and just get a load of the waterfall. Guys, another successful, beautiful day with a beautiful campsite as well to finish it off. Megan's just doing a bit of editing over there.
How good is this?
Got her own workbench there to do some editing. I've just set the shower up. Have a bloody look at this. Look at the setup, mate. How's that for a bloody setup? I can enjoy a nice warm shower, and then we're going to have a nice early one again for a big day again tomorrow. See you then.
Good morning. It's day 2 in the Border Ranges National Park, and today we've come down pretty deep into the rainforest for today's walk. I'm not going to try and pronounce it because Lord knows I will butcher it, but that's the one
Helmholtzia. Helmholtzia.
And I think I read that it's a specific type of lily that grows in this part of the forest, so hopefully we'll be able to spot some of them.
There's snakes here as well. There's an endangered snake.
And frogs, endangered frogs as well. So we'll see what we can try and spot today.
This one's once again different. The air is like a moist, you could say, eh? It's like wet.
Yeah, definitely.
It's definitely a bit.
You could even see like vapor.
Yeah, so it's like Jurassic Park vibes. It's a lot more greener as well, eh?
A lot more dense, I think.
Lots of birds in the background. It's beautiful. Oh. What are your thoughts, Megan?
Well, we weren't planning on... Well, I was sort of keen to see these 2 falls here, but Jack wasn't too keen to do a 5-kilometre hike. But it is kind of good though, because we are really bad at making decisions and we want to do like everything that we can. So it's like good to be forced to not try and do everything. So
yep. So the decision was made for us for free.
Yep.
So we're going to continue on the which one?
This one here that we can't pronounce.
Oh yeah, that one there. Helmas or whatever. Oh well, let's go.
Let's go.
200 meters, let's go. Well, we're pretty much there, and Megan beat me there, and all I can hear Megan saying is, whoa, so it must be pretty bloody good. Holy shit. Oh crap, almost fell over. Guys, New South Wales done. Great success, eh?
Kind of.
There was a lot of rain, but it was all totally worth it.
Yeah, the last 2 weeks have been amazing, but we're officially in Queensland now. I'm super excited. This is the state that I was like most excited to visit from the very beginning, so I think we'll be here for a while. At
least 2 months, I reckon.
Yeah.
Yeah, so plenty of videos to come in Queensland.
Yeah, next week will be our adventures through Lamington National Park and maybe a few more rainforests. Hopefully you're not sick of rainforests after this video, but if you did enjoy the video, please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
See you later.